Welcome to PhoneNet Book Review. Today I'm going to recommend few podcasts which I listen every day and every day before I sleep. I would recommend different categories and different podcasts where you can listen to and you can listen to them in your favorite category and whatever you like. So let me start with recommending one of my favorite science daily dose podcast called Curiosity Daily. So it's a wonderful podcast. It gives you science daily facts and everything from how a science behind a particular product works, like or science behind how a toilet flush works, for example. So all these different dose of daily facts and also how a particular thing works. It hardly lasts around 12 minutes at the good dose of science before you go back to sleep. And the second I recommend is Books and Beyond by Bound India, which gives interviews from different authors, especially Indian authors. So, which is wonderful to listen to. And the third podcast I recommend is Lit Reading, which gives you short stories. Like before you go to sleep, you can listen to different short stories. And if you're interested in mythology, then I would recommend Mythology Explained. And this is wonderful podcast and different mythology, specifically not very Indian, but it gives more about Rome and Greek mythology. If you're interested, you can listen to it. And the fifth is the podcast I listen to is if you're interested in solving mysteries or you want to know any of the mysteries or murder mysteries, then it's called Unsolved Mysteries. It tells you how they could not solve a case and there's still a mystery in stories, just like Unsolved Mysteries, which is running in Netflix. It's something like a podcast. If you love that, then definitely you should pick up or listen to a podcast called Unsolved Mysteries. And the sixth podcast I recommend is Devdutt Patnaik, Mirchi Show by Radio Patnaik. I don't really remember the name, but I'll drop it in the description. So this is also about our mythology and stories of Devdutt Patnaik and certain examples from this mythology and our mythology, and you can learn something from our mythology through this podcast. And this seventh podcast I recommend is called Dhruv Mahabharat, Mahabharata, in fact. It's one of the podcast where it tells you about Indian laws, constitution, and how our constitution was established. What is decriminalization? If you're basically interested in law, and this is one you can actually try it out, which is very famous as well. And the eighth podcast I would recommend or I listen to is called Our Own Devices. It's definitely one of the best podcasts on tech, and you should definitely give it a try if you want to. And also, there's another one. This is also by Indian Express. It's called Three Things, which gives you daily news and information and very authentic information. It basically picks up three major topics around India, which is happening, and gives you precise context on what is happening on it. And also, journalists talk about it in a very precise way. And it lasts around 18 minutes, right? So you can definitely pick up three things, and it's a good daily dose of news and information. And the ninth podcast I recommend if you're really, really enthusiastic about space and if you're really interested in how ISRO worked and Mission ISRO. So this is narrated by Harsha Bhogle. So I'm sure in the cricketing world, Harsha Bhogle is one of the best commentators. So in his voice, you can listen to Our Mission ISRO, which talks about ISRO as an organization and different achievements of it. So definitely go check that out. The 10th podcast I recommend is Deep Work by Carl Newport, and he gives you certain tips about productivity. And you should definitely check it out if you're having any issues with managing time or anything you want to improve yourself. Then definitely listen to the Deep Work by Carl Newport, which I love to listen to. And he talks about digital minimalism. Already, I've reviewed his books, and which is amazing to listen to. So these are my 10 podcast recommendations. Let me know if I've missed out on anything, and please do like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. And I hope you like this podcast recommendation. I'll try to do more of this podcast recommendation in my next month. So thank you for watching and thank you for listening to. Thank you.